Okay, I'm making this video especially for a friend of mine that I've met on YouTube who has a lot of videos showing sacred geometry. And he got this purple ray in his video, and I'm able to get it here too. And I just took a video of it just yesterday. Now today, when I tried to do it again, I tried to capture it there, it wasn't there. Don't know why that is, but I have evidence, and let me go to another one. Well, there's a picture of it. And let me go to this one. Oh, invalid image, okay. Preview. So there's my picture of it. I found out that you cannot, or I could not, get it to photograph with a still picture. And this is a still picture, but it's taken of a video. I just froze the frame of the video and took a picture off of the computer as I'm doing right now. Because with still pictures, it doesn't show up for me. But now, that's another one I took. And see, you don't see it there. That was a still picture that I made the very same day that I got it this way with a moving picture. Let me go back. Okay. Now, I have made another video, and this is especially for you, Jon. And let me see if I can pull it up. Okay, I'm going to turn the voice on and get it going. Gosh, why is that? Why do I not hear it on?
Geometry and builds
There it goes.
little spaceships all over his house.
I'm talking about you there.
Anyway, he said, I got him started with this. Well, I want to just give you this other thought about that I've seen with this shape. And this is a big, I'll just put it down, it's a big tetrahedron, which inside of it I have, as you do so often with your years, I have built other structures. Let's see if I can get it focused. But inside of the tetrahedron, this large one, there's a little octahedron, and then it graduates up to a different size, the pink one, you see. And inside of the octahedron, of course, are all of the vector equilibriums, which are all inside of the tetrahedron. And on this top tetrahedron, let me make it this where you can see it. You see I've filled it up with a little network of flower of life design. And let me see if I can angle this so that you can see it. Each of the flower of life designs are made of more of the shape of the triangle that the tetrahedron is. So when you use these and you divide them 3 more times, as I did this, each of these will continue making what this entire big one has made into infinity until it's so dense it would fill it up. It would fill it up solid. If a person could make that many, that tiny, which I think that's impossible. But the ideal, the principle of it is that all of this that's in the tetrahedron is a series of flower of life, on many levels. And this was pretty hard to do itself, you know, making it like this. Let me see if I can get it where you can see the different levels. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels inside this one. But each of these can go even smaller. I can't, though, but I just want to make a point that this is a sacred geometry pattern. It's kind of like seen it displayed on YouTube, where you can go into something forever and ever and ever, and it just keeps repeating itself. Well, this would be one of those. And every one of the vectors that come out from a central place in one of these has 12 other centers of other vector equilibriums around it. So it's 12 around 1, which is significant in and of itself. The 12 around 1. And all the little parts, the little vectors, each one of these lines on the inside, they are contributing to their fellow vector right next to them to be a part of another, yet another vector equilibrium. So everything ties into itself. Everything lends its support to its fellow other part in the same very way. They make the same pattern, and it just goes on continually. What does it mean? I don't know. But now, from another angle, you don't see the flower of life. You see squares. If you look at it from the view, okay, I'll show you a square. Let's see. Right here. If you look at it from this view, the top of the vector equilibrium and the bottom, those are the squares. And if I carried this design on out and filled it in much like I have this one part of it that you see so much in, you would just get a series of squares that get continually smaller and smaller and smaller. So in one direction you get the flower of life, in the other direction you get a continuity of squares. And I think that might be important, those two designs, in something to do with the way life is, and our relationship with one another, our oneness with one another. Anyway, I just thought I would show this to you, whet your appetite to know more about sacred geometry. To add to what I don't know, a lot of you out there understand it way better than I do. But I do know that you find out a lot just by playing around with it, because then you're showing the universe that you have desire and that you have willingness to be used to explore these things that even sometimes you would think, well, scientists in research laboratories spend millions to understand some things that we can understand ourselves just by our effort and the use of just very inexpensive things. And we all can research this and understand it if we desire. Anyway, I'm going to end this video now.
Okay, and that is where I ended it. Wait a minute, I did take it a little further. Let me show you this.
My friend, I think his name was Jon.
This is for you, Jon.
I'm sure when he gets this video, he'll answer me. Okay. Not that I will understand everything you say, Jon, because you go into such immensity of looking into so many things that you've quite lost me. And not to say you're wrong or anything like that, it's just that you left me behind a long time ago. But, oh, I want to show you this, Jon.
Now here, I thought I was going to show you the purple ray. The same place that I showed you at the beginning of this film. And it's missing. It's not there. I'll stop it. And I was disappointed. So disappointed. But like I say, it was there. See? There it is in that picture I've just brought up that I took the other day. So maybe it's a come and go type thing. But it is beautiful. I admit it is very beautiful. And I'll play that one a little bit with the voice off. And also got an orb. See that orb I caught right there? And in one place another video I had of that. The orb was the shape of the pentagon. It was a pentagon shape orb. Anyway, just wanted to get with you and show you a video and tell you that I listen to all your videos, and I can't say I understand them all. I don't know where you're coming from sometime. I know you're really excited, though, about what you're discovering. And it'll work out. You'll be able to find a way to express it so that everybody takes notice, and that we get somewhere with some of this that we're discovering. Us ordinary people with pretty common means. I mean, I use coat hangers and marbles to discover things. And if that's not getting down to really simple things, I don't know what is. So anyway, this is the Dove Lady, and just talking at you, Jon. Over and out.